Hi, today I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card in your CUBOT X20. First step, go into settings, and in settings find security and location option. Go into and then scroll down and find advanced options on the button, click and then scroll down one more time and we got a SIM card lock option. So click, choose your SIM and then click to turn off. For unlock SIM card, need to enter your PIN from SIM card. Then click OK to confirm, and that's it. Now we remove our SIM pin from our SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.